What are you doing, baby?
Cheese and tomatoes.
Okay. Are you putting the cheese on the pizza?
And peas.
And peas. Okay. Very good, baby. You're doing an excellent job with our pizza. What are we having?
And bacon and cheese and
bacon and cheese and peas. Fake bacon and cheese and peas on our pizza with fresh tomato?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you for putting the cheese on.
Let me have it then.
Why don't you put some cheese right there? Right there. Oh, yeah. Perfect. A little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Here's some.
There's some.
Here's some.
There's some. Excellent. Thank you, baby. Did you have a good day today with Thicket?
Yeah, and Liz.
And Liz? Where did we go?
On downtown.
Downtown?
On the mall.
On the mall. Okay. Wait. Okay. That's one way to do it. Good work.